Hey guys, thanks for joining me for another episode. In this episode, we're going to tackle the question, Christmas lights. Hanging Christmas lights with a gutter guard or without a gutter guard on your gutters. Subscribe to the channel, hit the little bell notification, get notified every time that I post a video. Don't forget to like and share the video, guys. Christmas hooks to hang Christmas lights up if you have a gutter guard. So these are the Christmas light hooks you would use to hang Christmas lights up with a gutter guard. You simply place it into the hole, just like that. And you can put them across the gutter, wherever you need them. So you just continue down the gutter guard, placing them in the perforated holes on the gutter guard, just like that. That's how to install the hangers for Christmas lights when you want to install the Christmas lights on the recommended gutter guard. These are the hooks to hang Christmas lights up on gutters without a gutter guard. You simply clip it onto the gutter, just like that. Guys, to hang the Christmas lights with the recommended gutter guard, I'm going to leave a link down in the description, the exact hook you will need to hang the Christmas lights with the recommended gutter guard, the aluminum perforated gutter guard. There is a perfect hook to hang Christmas lights with that type of gutter guard. And also I left a link for if you don't have a gutter guard and you want to hang Christmas lights, the recommended hook down below. So there's two links down there. You got the product, the hook for gutters with the gutter guard, the recommended type, the aluminum perforated, in the description, and then also a hook for gutters without a gutter guard in the description. So that's it, guys. If you like what you see, subscribe to the channel, hit the little bell notification, get notified every time that I post a video. Don't forget to like and share the video, guys. Thanks for watching. Take care, guys.